Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 2. An index could be described as any inscription that A. indicates telephone directory, B. is easy to identify, C. is used to direct visitors, D. serves as an indicator, and E. shows nominal role. Now, we're asked to state what's the best or description of an index. Now, an index is an indicator. An index is an indicator. An index is an indicator. So index serves as indicators, and it is necessary necessary to locate files in the office. So index is an indicator which is used or which is necessary to locate files in the office, and these index are actually used when indexing. The process whereby these index are used to locate files is known as indexing. Now, indexing simply means what? It simply means an arranged system through which the required documents and papers are easily located for speedy disposal. And when indexing, you make use of index, because this index serves as as an indicator. Like I say indexing is an arranged system through which a required document, that is the document that is needed or papers needed, are easily located for speedy disposal, and this is done with the help of with the help of the index. So this index helps to serve as an indicator that enables us to locate these files speedily when the need arise. So index serves as an indicator, and that is option D. Index serves as an indicator. Thank you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.